I use a method of upside down division or cupcake division. I personally don't like factor trees. It's not organized enough for me. So what I do is I start with 64 and I put it towards the bottom. And I'm going to divide it by its prime. So I'm going to start by 2. When I divide 2 into it, I get 32. When I take 32, and I know it's even, so 2 goes into it 16 times. 2 goes into it 8 times. 2 goes into it 4 times. 2 goes into that twice. 2 goes into that once. And I know I'm done when I get that 1 at the top and we make it look like a birthday candle, so now it looks like a birthday cake. Now, I have the 4th root, so I'm circling common groups of 4. So there's one group of 4. Common groups come to the outside, so I have a group of 2's, and inside I'm left with this and this. I multiply those, and there's my final answer. So let's try it again with 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. Divided by 2 is 8. Divided by 2 is 4. Divided by 2 is 2. Divided by 2 is 1. Circling groups of 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. On the outside, that group gets to go out. On the inside, the only thing left is a 2 and a 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. And there's my solution there. All right, first thing I want to do here is break down 81. 81 is not even, but 81 is divisible by 3, and it goes in 27 times. 27 is divisible by 3, and it goes in 9 times. 9 is divisible by 3, and it goes in 3 times. 3 is divisible by 3, and it goes in once. So I'm going to write this out fully. What I have going on right now is I have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 6 x's, and 8 y's. So now I'm going to group them and pull all my groups out, and I'm going to group them into 4s. There's a group of 4s, so a 3 comes out. There's a group of x's, so one group of x's come out. I have 2 groups of y's, so those come out. And left over, I have 2 x's. There's my final answer.